Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zeplin to Visual Studio Code for UI delivery, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Visual Studio Code application. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side. In the search bar, type Zeplin to find the Zeplin integration extension. Click on the Zeplin extension from the list. Press the Install button to add the extension to your Visual Studio Code. Once the extension is installed, open Zeplin on your browser. Log into your Zeplin account if you haven't already. Select the project you wish to connect to Visual Studio Code. Look for the Styles or Assets tab in the Zeplin project. Find the options for sharing the design specs, and copy the project ID or the setup link. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Access the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard. Type Zeplin, connect to a project in the command palette and select it. Paste the project ID or link you copied from Zeplin. Press Enter to confirm the connection to the project. After connecting, you can now use the Zeplin features directly within your Visual Studio Code. To view designs and assets, go to the Zeplin panel on the sidebar. Explore the designs to see specifications and export options conveniently. You're now set to deliver your UI designs efficiently through Zeplin and Visual Studio Code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.